You know, John, that super clean works so well on the engine part and the engine. We're going to use it on this bed here too. Follow all these leaves. Oh, this thing's pretty nasty.
I think that's a bottle cap.
It may have been
I think it may have been at one time. Man.
Yeah, we'll get these leaves swept out of here, and we're going to use that stuff back here. See, do a little do that.
General Crustard looks a bunch better, Shawn.
Yes, it does. I mean,
I know it's still rusty on the floor and everything.
But it's not a new truck. I mean, it's been sitting in a barn forever.
Right.
It was used as a farm truck. I mean, the bed ain't real beat up.
Right.
But, I mean, this was
the
just...
grunge and the oil and the 2 inches of garbage that was down here is gone.
Yeah. It was just an oily, muddy mess. I don't know what this stuff was in the back of this bed. And it took a little bit of scrubbing to get it out. But, man, this super clean certainly helped.
Yeah.
And did a fantastic job helping us. I mean, we just kind of cleaned part of the bed here.
Right.
We still got the rest of it to go. I mean, a long ways to go yet, but yeah, I mean, you can certainly, how it looked before and how it looks now, looks fantastic.
Yeah, 100 times better.
Yeah. So anybody cleaning up a vehicle, go get yourself some super clean. So, you know, John, anybody that's seen us cleaning General Crustard here, they can certainly go to our YouTube channel, see more of the videos on General Crustard when we picked it up, and some other stuff, and we'll be making more videos as we go along and work on this truck. And you know, make sure you like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check out our other videos.